Scott here from Guitar is Great. Thank you for stopping by today. Really appreciate that. We're going to work on hunting chord tones today. And today we're going to work on hunting the thirds. So I'm just going to kind of show you how you can find them in your different shapes. And we'll kind of just go from there. Huge thank you to all the new subscribers and continuing subscribers. Thank you so much for that support. Really appreciate it. Please check out those links in the description. And let's go ahead and check out this lesson. So I'm going to be in the key of D today. What we're going to do is it's called hunting for chord tones. So if you're in your middle of your solo or your improvisation and you know, you're looking for stuff to play, the third is a great note to kind of mess around with a little bit and tease. So let's go ahead and see where we can find the third. So the third for D is going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, F sharp for D. One really easy way to find the third is to just start on the root note of your chord that's being played. So if it's the D chord, we have a D root note here. And then let's just go up 2 whole steps. So D, E, F sharp. Right, so it's just up 2 whole steps. So there's 1 whole step, and then there's a second whole step. So what we're doing is we're skipping 1 whole entire space right here, and we're doing that twice. So that's D is the 1, E is the 2, and then there's F sharp is the 3. Another cool trick is, so we have this very linear, horizontal way to find the third and the second for that matter. And there's also a different way we can do it. So let's just stick with this D root note here. The other way is to use our major scale that I've showed before in other lessons, linked below. So we go, right? D, E, F sharp. So the other way to find it is just to go, it's going to be down 1 string and back 1 fret like this. The only string that doesn't work on is going to be your G string, in which case the third is directly next to your root note. So let's see, we have a D right here. You're going to just go directly straight down for that third. So if you're looking for box shapes, there's when we play the D major pentatonic extended scale, we have right on the D string of that box is your 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you can do it again here on the B string. And then one other really cool trick to use is to bend up to the third from the second. So we have our 1 and our 2 here. And we take our second, which is an E, D, E, F sharp. We take that E and bend it up to the F sharp. That sounds really great in a solo, you guys. Bending that second, oh my gosh. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for stopping by today. Really appreciate that. Any questions or comments, throw them down in the comment section there. And thanks again so much. Have a great day.